Remember when your mom used to make you like ooey gooey grilled cheese sandwiches? I'm about to teach you an even better way of making that with none of the mom guilt. Maple syrup, apple pie spice, mix it up. Pour it over the apples, bacon, and aged cheddar. Are you kidding me right now? Second thing, maybe you're in a pizza mood, but you don't have pizza. Take some bread, pepperoni, mozzarella, tomato sauce, a little Italian seasoning, stir it up, put it on. Ciao, Bella. Just like that, boom. You've got Italy in your mouth. Maybe you want a little spice. You go Southwest. You've got some crazy pepper jack cheese, some salsa, a little cumin. You mix it up. You put it on with a little bit of a reba. Here you go. 3 grilled cheeses that your mom would be proud of, but so would your friends.